Hi everyone, it's Liam at Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2022 BMW 218d Active Tourer. Now of course you get full LED headlights, daytime running lights, you also get front parking sensors, you then also get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get on these 19-inch BMW individual alloys. Around to the rear now, we've also got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera, which you can see at the top there. You then of course get your electric opening tailgate, which you can see just here. Of course, coming inside the tailgate, we have plenty of room inside of here, including a three-way splitting rear bench which folds flat with the boot floor. And then to lower the tailgate, simply tap the button up top and it will drop down like so. Then coming around the car again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back of the car now, we've got part Alcantara, part leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got keyless entry and start. You've then got memory seats as well for the driver's seat, with full electric adjustment for both front seats. You've got your audio volume just here and track select. You've then got your gearbox just here and your drive select, so you can obviously go between whichever drive mode you wish. So you have the choice between personal, sport, efficient, expressive, relaxed, digital. It is entirely your choice. Then up to the main display itself, as you can see in here, we have got your radio, so you can get your DAB, FM. You get Bluetooth as well, along with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite navigation. Then over to the steering wheel, you've got your cruise control on the left. You've got your media settings on the right with track select, volume, Bluetooth, hands-free and voice assistant. As you can see, while we are up to the main display, just in here, just turn the car off. This car has done 92,459 miles. But coming back outside now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this BMW 218, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.